Unlocking science reasoning, identifying variables and controls. Hello, learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the realm of ACT Science Reasoning section, focusing on research summaries passages. Particularly, we'll uncover the secrets behind identifying variables and controls. This skill is crucial not just for your ACT test, but for understanding the essence of any scientific experiment. Let's get started. Variables are the backbone of any scientific experiment. In its simplest form, a variable is anything that can be changed, controlled, or measured in an experiment. Types of variables. 1. Independent variable. This is the factor that is changed by the experimenter. It's the cause in the cause and effect relationship. 2. Dependent variable. This is what you measure or observe to obtain your results. It's the effect that happens due to the changes in the independent variable. 3. Controlled variables. These are the constants in the experiment. They remain unchanged to ensure the test results are solely due to the independent variable. Example: in an experiment to test the growth of plants under different light colors, the light color would be the independent variable, the plant growth would be the dependent variable, and factors like water, type of soil, and pot size might be the controlled variables. Controls are vital because they eliminate alternate explanations of experimental results. They ensure that the only difference in the experiment is the independent variable, making the results reliable. Without controls, results could be due to outside factors. Conclusions drawn may be invalid. The experiment might need to be repeated. When approaching the ACT Science Reasoning section, particularly the research summaries passages. 1. Skim the passage. Get a general idea of the experiment. 2. Locate the variables. Find the cause, independent variable, and the effect, dependent variable. 3. Spot the controls. Identify elements that remained constant throughout the experiment. 4. Be critical. Think about how the experiment might have changed without those controls. Tip: while reading, it can be helpful to underline or mentally note the variables and controls for easy reference when answering questions. And there we have it. Identifying variables and controls is a key skill for any budding scientist, and mastering it can give you an edge in the ACT Science Reasoning section. Remember, every experiment tells a story. By understanding its variables and controls, you can decode that story with ease. Good luck, and happy studying!